I've reviewed many budget-friendly phones, but really nothing is like this one. The one I'm going to talk about now is the Honor X8. In this video, I've covered the design, performance, camera, and some other things. And most importantly, I will compare it with others of the same price level and tell you why the Honor X8 is my favorite among the bunch. The first thing you will notice about the Honor X8 is it's ultra lightweight and comfortable to hold in the hand. It weighs only 177 grams, just the equivalent of one moderate orange. The back panel flashes with a sunset accent as you turn at different angles, which makes this phone vivid and less boring. The middle frame and back are made of polycarbonate. The polished middle frame and matte finish might make you think this is yet another premium phone. What makes this phone really stand out from the crowd is the display. It really amazed me at first glance. The phone's large 6.7-inch Full HD LCD display plus super narrow bezels really maximizes the visual real estate. It gives you a truly immersive viewing experience that you won't find on other phones in this price range. Check it out. It just looked attractive and played video with excellent visual clarity and smoothness. I've seen many reviews are obviously emphasizing the highest brightness of the screen. I, however, on the contrary, are always concerned about how a display performs in a dim light environment. Again, the screen didn't disappoint me. It comes with some advanced eye protection features. There's dark mode here. What's more, there is an ebook mode. When I turn on, it gives me a new level of comfort when reading and browsing. Basically, it's like you are reading on a Kindle. A 90Hz refresh rate delivers smooth viewing experience. Here compared with the 60Hz refresh rate screen, so you can see the difference. Overall, the Honor X8 brought me a whole lot of great viewing and was comfortable to hold and use, which usually only happens with those high-end handsets. The X8 runs off the punchy 6nm Snapdragon 680 chipset from Qualcomm. If you are used to super fast responsiveness of the high-end model, it may seem a little slow, but not annoying so. Here I put under the benchmark comparisons head-to-head with the other three, and here are the results. For sure, it's one of the best among the bunch. The gaming experience is good. It runs without any stutter or lag even after a long time of use. And I didn't see the phone getting overheated. It certainly keeps the thermos in check. As far as cameras, it sports a 64-megapixel main, 5-megapixel wide angle, 2-megapixel macro, and 2-megapixel bokeh camera. The front camera is 16-megapixel. I found overall performance from the Honor X8 don't fall short to any of the other phones in the group. In many situations, especially at night, I found X8 showing more detail and better contrast. They were crisp with no visible camera blur. They also appeared vibrant with a high color saturation. The Honor X8 is equipped with a 4000 mAh battery, which sounds not that promising, but from my experience with the phone, I can easily use for one day in moderate use, like watching several hours of YouTube, flirting with girls, and gaming interests. The charging speed is good. I can charge the phone from 3% to 21% in 10 minutes by using its 22.5 watts charger. So to fully charge, the battery should take less than an hour, decent for a budget phone. After several weeks with the Honor X8, I think it's a pretty good entry-level option with features you'd expect to see in a high-end model. I personally think the bezel-less display is the best I've ever seen on any middle-range phone. It offers a viewing experience that no other budget phones can compare. If the premium smartphone is beyond your price range, the Honor X8 should be right on the top of your shopping list. It gives phone's users a taste of the high life without breaking the budget. Thanks for watching. I'm Sammy and we'll see you in the next one.
Okay.